Well, good morning, everybody. It's another day in paradise. Not in computer paradise, but in Las Vegas paradise. I have rebooted my computer about 3 times today, and it's acting up for some reason. And of course, August being this rush month that it's been for me. I mean, this is me this month, right? I mean, come on. Get yourself together here. Okay. I don't know. We'll see, everybody. We'll see. Um, it has been a hectic month to say the least, but you know what? There's two important days in your life: the day you were born, and then the day you figure out why you were born or what your why is. And my why is to help people, and it's working. And when I can't do that, I get very frustrated. So let me just check here to make sure you can hear me. And everything is changing. Facebook is changing. Everything has, it seems like every platform has new things. And really, I don't want to do that. I can't even get Facebook on my phone. I'm telling you, something's going on in my retrograde or whatever they call that. Anyway, we have a lot of inventory. We have 9,562 homes, and that's in our zip code area. Like I always tell everybody, I'm going to turn my phone off. Maybe that will fix it. I don't know. Hope you can hear me. Doesn't look like anybody's even in the chat today. So I guess people might get frustrated. I was going on at 9:10, then 9:20, and then I'll find it's 9:35. You know, when you complain, Gary Vaynerchuk always says, don't complain because nobody cares. I know. So what can I do today? Well, I can get rid of all this frustration and just throw it behind me. And what am I grateful for? I have to think of that too. And then what's working in my life? Well, let's see. My computer isn't working. My phone isn't working. My printer even died. I guess it's that cycle I'm going through, right? Get everything all at once and then everything dies all at once. Something like that. Anyway, we have 105 days of inventory based on the zip codes that I do the stats for. 31 homes were listed yesterday, 470,000 and under. And what else is going on? Let's see. That's interesting. Well, we're only selling 80 homes a day. And like I said in my description was we have tons of we have more inventory and less sales. Lots of less sales. I think it's 70% of what we were at, 80 sales a day. And that's not nearly enough, is it? Well, 80 times 30, that's only 2,400 sales a month. We need to be at least 3,000 because then that's 6,000 sides. And then we know that we're all at least paying the bills, hopefully. This market is a little scary, but I see it resurging. We have some listings and we didn't get a lot of activity. And then all of a sudden things started churning, starting getting calls. People wanted to see homes and so on and so forth. We had more at our open house on Sunday and Saturday and Sunday. So versus, the previous weeks of August. So things slowed down, the last week of July, and they seem to stay slow. Anyway, so what's working in your life? And are you worried? Because when the market shifts, and this is a big shift because we were selling all these homes, had all these offers, had all these people, prices going up, happy sellers. And then all of a sudden things changed when the interest rates went up and the inflation went up. And now we're in this, we were in this lull, but I think it's going to come back up. It's not quite a check mark, but it's pretty close. And things are picking up. But you need to figure out what you're going to do if you were caught up in that a hectic market that we had, where you put something on the MLS and it sold, when you took a buyer out and they bought, and now things have slowed down. So what are you doing now to generate business? And NAR tells us that 60% of our business does really come from referrals. That's people who we've done business with before. So the MLS stats, this sheet that I print out, you should really that I put on the board. You should really print it out and you should hand it out to people who are asking, how's the market? What's going on? And you know, when the market's great, they're asking. When the market slows down, they're asking. And now they're wanting to know what is going on. So you should be the source of the source and be able to tell them the market is fine. You know, buyers have more choices. Real estate agents have to work a little harder, a little longer, but it's all good because the buyers are still there.